Have you ever encountered a stranger who appeared out of nowhere with the knowledge you needed? Have you ever had a buddy or a complete stranger who was in the right location at the right moment guide you clear of a mistake? Can you remember how it felt? Have you ever felt your part in how an event manifests in someone else? It was a strange coincidence that you may have given them something or done something that felt appropriate for both of you. Have you ever been in a position where you could help someone out with something crucial? Perhaps you were impelled to speak with a total stranger because you knew the piece of information they needed. This interaction between people is what I refer to as a dancing. Every day of our lives, we dance with others. We participate in and help in the manifestation of their experience when we are open and receptive, and others reciprocate in like. When we have wonderful encounters, we sometimes feel as though life is flowing through us. Other encounters are more difficult or even negative, and they might make us wonder how we manage to draw something so painful or unpleasant into our life. Law of attraction and relationships. The law of attraction is a very potent force that affects our life whether or not we are conscious of it at any one time. Simply said, we attract into our life what we give our focus, emotion, and attention to. It takes awareness of our purpose, concentration, and emotional condition to move toward deliberate attraction. In a way, we transition from unconsciously shaping events in our life to consciously choosing how they play out. Finding the line between our own responsibilities and that of others is one of the problems raised by these concerns. Matching, picking our partners. Everyone you engage with and draw into your life is a match for whatever you are vibrating, either consciously or unconsciously. Look at the people you attract to see what vibrations you are vibrating at. It matches perfectly. There are different kinds of matches to our vibrations. The most obvious is when we get a similar match. In an ideal world, we would like to experience feelings of empowerment, optimism, and joy as well as draw other individuals who share those qualities to us. A sharing and connection that feels amazing occurs when this happens. It matches perfectly. When your vibration is low, you could draw a buddy who calls to vent about all the things that are making them unhappy. In this situation, someone with a vibration that is comparable to ours is drawn to us. Whenever we interact with someone, we frequently maintain our low vibration or perhaps drop it altogether. What does it feel like? Other matches. Have you ever had a friend or client who appeared to attract violent partners in their love or professional relationships because they were caught in a victim vibration? Their vibration as a victim may be compatible with an abuser in the future. The rescuer serves as a second match for the victim vibration. The victim or a drama triangle is made up of rescuers, victims, and abusers. People frequently become caught traveling from one point to another in the triangle because these three roles vibrate in unison with one another. The person could be the victim in one relationship. They may act as the abuser or the savior in the following. There are other less obvious variations of this triangle. Chronically sick individuals, very desperate or needy people, often vibrate matches for people who try to help them or use them in some way. Drama triangle. Vulnerability. The majority of kids and many adults go through life not understanding the law of attraction, or the numerous other factors that shape their experiences. Such people aren't conscious of how their emotions, thoughts, and focus are manifesting. Instead of being focused, their energy may be dispersed, and their emotions may be conflicted and reactive. Such people are susceptible and may unwittingly join others in their more purposeful and focused manifestation. We are aware that most criminals choose their victims. This is true. They intuitively pair vulnerable adults, children, and financial institutions together. For this reason, younger kids, the elderly, or persons with impairments are frequently picked. When someone with higher intention, emotion, and attention makes a more intentional plan and takes an action, children and certain adults are particularly susceptible. Additionally, some people generate power for themselves or do harm to others by using the same principles of attraction. They feel justified or entitled, or they may be unintentionally drawn to such situations. Their united attention may be quite strong in particular situations. Examples of this dynamic include terrorist groups and other fear-based organizations. Free choice. I once had a very amazing conversation with a native teacher about the three concepts of destiny, potential, and free choice. To the best of my recollection, this is how he defined these concepts. Destiny is an opportunity to fulfill a life's purpose. It is a predetermined circumstance that will manifest at some point in life. Some native groups believe that we are born with predestined challenges that were agreed upon by our ancestors before our birth. Other native groups believe that there are deals made with other souls before birth to be part of their enlightenment challenge here on Earth. Potential. When we are challenged, the experience has the potential to be a powerful healing or destructive force. If we rise to the challenge and act out of integrity and grace, we heal both present and past issues related to the event. If we fail the challenge, we hurt ourselves and others involved. Free choice. We all have free choice. This is why we cannot attract a person to us who does not want to engage with us. We choose whom we engage with, and we choose our actions. We attract matches into our lives. It is our choice to engage with them or not. We are responsible for our actions. They are responsible for what they choose to do. As we become more aware, we can also consider matches and experiences as powerful information and feedback as to what we are vibrating. We can also choose to engage or not engage, stay or leave. We can also choose to use this information to move ourselves to a different level of vibration. Implications for Law of Attraction practitioners working with others. I have found the Law of Attraction tools to be very helpful in teaching an awareness of their emotions and how they are affecting their experience. They can learn that when they are in a poor me or a victim vibration, they are going to attract matches and choose to engage or not. They also learn the importance of changing their vibration and witnessing a change in the people they attract. By choosing a different vibration, they become empowered and even begin to heal. In closing, as Law of Attraction practitioners, we can share powerful information and tools to empower others to make their own decisions and assume a new kind of responsibility in their relationships. We can empower others to dance with grace and integrity towards joyful and fulfilling relationships. Thank you for watching. We hope this was of value to you as we, on this channel, try to help everyone love, live, and overcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.